So today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful gaming setup. And it looks nice on the outside, right? And then you take one glance under the desk and it's just horrific. So today I'm going to be showing you how you could cable manage even a sit and stand desk like so. And this is what it's going to look like when you're done. Now it's not perfect, but it definitely looks way better than this, which was basically just a fire hazard and something that my dog loved to try and chew on. So we had to fix that, and of course, TechSource isn't going to be too happy with us right now. So we're going to get some cable management little shelf things. I don't know what you should call them, but yeah, they work pretty well. You just screw them to the bottom of your desk. They give you some screws. Everything you need is literally right here. You're able to get this package for $10 and you get 2 little metal trays and those little rubber wire holders and these little Velcro straps. Now for $10, you're getting a lot of stuff, and I will have a link to this down below because I really love this thing and I think it turned out really nice. So this is the dog that likes to chew on all those wires, and we're going to be trying to keep her safe. So this is what it looks like right now. It just took like 5 screws on the top, that's all I used, and it still worked even on this Lenmon desk. But wait, I didn't sweep yet. Alright, I just swept and threw down my carpet. I promise I'm not just hiding all the dirt with the carpet. I actually swept and it is looking so much better. It's a lot nicer for my feet down there because it's not constantly like getting tangled up in wires. It's not beautiful, it's still like maybe a fire hazard, but hey, it looks a lot better and people aren't going to be seeing it near as much. I think my dog is going to be a lot more happy with this. She loves to lay down there and it always makes me nervous that she's going to be chewing on cables. Now I just have one cable to worry about and I think she likes it a lot more. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys subscribe down below and I'll see you guys on the next one.